that you're in one with nature. It feels really nice.
Norway is actually one of the most northern places in the world where you can surf.
Yes, and cold water surfing has become super popular during the last couple of years, and people are actually heading to the coast all year around.
We are on the west coast of Norway.
Hey!
And today I'm trying surfing for the first time in 15 years, and the last time was actually in the Caribbean. So I think this will be a very different experience.
Yeah, it's quite different. I've actually been here a couple of times before, and I'm looking forward to go out there and show you how beautiful it is here.
All right, let's check it out.
Let's go.
I'm the owner of this surf shop / surf school, and I work as an instructor too. Yeah, surfing here is getting more and more popular for sure.
When is the surfing season?
It's kind of all year around, but for new beginners and intermediate surfers, it's from May to October.
But if you want the best possible waves, when should you come here?
Autumn or fall. If you're lucky, you could get the really nice, good waves in summer, but it's more rare.
Autumn. So how's the water temperature now?
It's around 15.
And how was the waves?
Waves are epic, they're really nice. Around 1.8 meters. It's a little bit hectic for a beginner.
So why is it actually called cold water surfing?
Because it's cold water.
And then so what's the difference between cold water surfing and normal?
You have to have a wetsuit and you get brain freeze out in the water sometimes. If you hurt yourself in very cold water, your body temperature goes fast down. But in warm water, you don't have that situation at all, that you can freeze to death.
What?
The positive is that it's less people in the water, so you have the waves for yourself.
It's really important to always come with an instructor unless you're a really experienced cold water surfer.
Especially here with all the currents and the cold water, instructor will help you a lot.
We're doing it!
Doing it!
Yeah, if you have low expectations, you have more fun.
I have very low expectations of myself, so by those standards, we should have a lot of fun.
That you're in one with nature, which feels really nice. I would recommend you try it.
All right, I just left my board on the beach for a bit. It was getting a little bit overwhelming and a bit chaotic with the board being a bit unpredictable and the waves getting a bit higher. So I'm gonna take a little break. All right, we got some really good surfing in us today. I've been practicing, like getting like a feel for the waves, and like next class, I'll try standing. But Tobias, I think, has graduated to the next level.
I'm not done yet. I have still some surf in me, so we're actually going around out to the dingle there to hit the bigger waves, like hit them before they break. It's gonna be cool and difficult, so it might not work, but hey, let's give it a shot.
Tobias is gonna catch maybe the biggest wave you ever ridden.
The biggest wave I've ever ridden.
Yeah.
How was it?
Hey! Yay! It was fun. It was nice to feel the raw power of the waves. Wasn't able to catch any, but still it was a good experience.
Too?
Well, sort of catch, but I didn't like.
Yeah. Cue the falling shots, because I got some of those.
Nice!
The waves actually look small from here, but that's not how it was down there.
Oh, but the conditions were quite difficult today. Yeah, you can't always know.
Okay, that's my excuse though. That makes me feel better. But I think it was so cool to surf in Norway. This country never ceases to amaze me.
But would you dare to try cold water surfing in Norway?
Let us know in the comments.